Hi guys, my name is Ms. Frye and I'm going to be your teacher this fall. This is my classroom. We are in classroom 214. It is in the upstairs of the two-story building. My schedule for the fall is going to be as follows. I'm going to have freshman first period. I will have sophomore second period. I'll be free during third, and I'm going to have my leadership and TC back during fourth period. As far as space in the room goes, if you have any concerns, most of the classrooms upstairs have labeled desks with A, B, C, and D around them so that everything is going to be spaced out 6 feet apart all across the room. On the day one, you need to bring in a notebook. It can be a spiral bound notebook, it can be a 3-ring binder. We're going to be using that maybe a third of the time, maybe half the time. In most cases, you are going to need a device. So on day one, if you have a device, bring it to class with you. If you don't, we're going to take care of that when you come to school your first day. I love teaching, and even though this year is going to be interesting with the start of it, I'm very excited to have you back and to get back into the swing of things.